Greetings, I'm Aaron, and I'm here today to show you how to make a tasteful taco today. Okay, the next step is you take the hamburger and you place it in your large skillet and put it on low to medium heat on the stove. Next we'll start with the ingredients. First we'll start off with the lettuce. What you do is you take a head of lettuce, to remove the core you need to slam it down on the cutting board, which is very fun to do, to be violent. Then you pull out the core and throw it away. We're not going to use that part. Next up, what I like to do is I like to remove the external layer and get rid of any red lettuce, even though technically it might be healthy for you, but I don't like red lettuce. Continuing on, we'll take a very sharp knife, so be careful, and you slowly slice through the lettuce until you get to about halfway through the lettuce for one thing of ground beef. For every thing of ground beef, you want about half a head of lettuce. Take the other half of the lettuce and set it off to the side. Well, we can put it away later. To finish cutting the lettuce, now that we have these nice thin lines, we turn it on its side and slice downwards, giving us nice strips of lettuce. If you want it really refined, you can go again crossways. And like I am, make a big mess out of it. When you're done with all the cutting, take a bowl, and we'll move all the lettuce into the bowl. That way it's easier to dish up later. And I think I should have gotten a bigger bowl. One of our final steps we're going to do is we are going to be cooking the tortilla shells in vegetable oil. We have corn tortillas. You can try frying flour tortillas. I don't suggest it. What you do is you heat your vegetable oil up to about high temperature. Make sure it's nice and sizzling. Then you take one corn tortilla and put it in there. Ooh, that is nice and warm. You want to keep it on there for about 10 to 15 seconds per side. So, a few more seconds, you flip it over. After another 5 to 10 seconds on this side, you'll pull it out and drain it. You want to have a plate down with about 3 paper towels, so that way it can catch all the grease afterwards. Now, I'm not going to show this, but I'm going to be making a lot more because you need about 20 or so corn tortillas to have enough for all your tacos. And the final step into enjoying a wonderful taco is the creation of it. We take our wonderfully fried tortilla shells, set it in the middle, take a scoop of hamburger meat from your hamburger, put it in the middle. I like to put cheese on next, followed by tomatoes, onions, lettuce, then salsa. You can have any flavor of salsa, any type of salsa, any heat of salsa. I prefer medium picante because I'm not the biggest fan of the chunks in the salsa. Then now to enjoy the final product of our meal. Take the taco, fold it in half, and bon appetit.